The Mpumalanga Department of Health. The department is to be investigated by SIU for maladministration. The investigation will concentrate on procurement by the Department of Health. The proclamation covers unlawful and improper conduct that dates back from 2014 to October this year.
The probe will look at the procurement of or contracting of healthcare risk waste management services by or on behalf of the department, determining whether payments made in respect thereof adheres to National Treasury guidelines, and ascertain whether the payment were irregular, fruitless, and wasteful expenditure or financial losses that may have been incurred by the department that needs to be recovered.
Democratic Alliance in Mpumalanga says heads must roll. They say the state of health in the province is in a dire state, which they believe has affected service delivery, especially in hospitals, pointing fingers to the MEC of Health.
Every district in this province, and that is very, very worrying. It doesn't matter if you look at the state of the infrastructure of the buildings of the hospital, the safety of the healthcare professionals, the equipment in our hospitals, the medicine that are able to be distributed. Every one of these aspects are worrying, it's lacking, and people don't get good healthcare services in the province. We also don't think that we get good rand value for the money that we spend in the Department of Health, and we think if you focus on that and you look at the procurement processes and you look at the state in which our healthcare professionals work, then it will improve.
This father of five agrees with the DA that hospitals in the province are lagging behind when it comes to service delivery. Sidney Nkosi nearly lost his life after he was involved in a horrific accident. He was admitted at the Rob Ferreira Hospital in a critical condition. He alleges that he stayed at the hospital for weeks without proper assistance due to lack of resources, which later led to him losing his leg.
Kuhlala kwami eRobs ngahlala up until bona babuya bangitshela kimi ukuthi inyawo lami seline-infection.
He says, I stayed at Rob Ferreira Hospital until I was told I have an infection. I don't know how I got the infection, because when I went, it was for me to be operated, and I was then transferred to Chris Baragwana Hospital, where they were going to cut my leg. The Mpumalanga Department of Health has welcomed the investigations.
The department has also noted the statement that was issued by the DA, where it alludes that it also welcomes the proclamation. However, the department does not agree with the DA that all this has happened under the watch of the MEC, Sasekane Manzini. In 2018, the MEC joined the department, and we can say that the MEC has done a lot to actually clamp maladministration in the department. However, we welcome this investigation because it will, as it unfolds, prove that the MEC did play a positive role in ensuring that maladministration in the department is clamped down.
Meanwhile, the DA is calling for the Mpumalanga Premier Nhlamulo to remove the MEC of Health Sasekane Manzini from office. Nhlamulo, Mabasa, SABC News, Mpumalanga.